Hey, this is a video on how to use the Learnyst uh, platform in for us. Learnyst is a LMS software, which is basically the learning management tool that we use. And the idea behind this is that all the courses, be it assignments, videos, and everything, will be uploaded in this website right here. So down here you will see a bunch of stuff. Like the two important ones are the courses, which is written on top, right, and basically the test series. Before you can log in into this, however, you'll be greeted with this sign in to your account wala page, right? To get access to your credentials, here I'm using my company email. You'd be using the email that you get from your company. To do that, all you have to do is make contact with the Learnyst admin, and he shall provide you with the email and password, right? So put those credentials in the signing in process. Do not try to sign up for it, because then it will ask you to pay for it. So wait for your learning admin, as an employee of the company. Wait for the Learnyst admin credentials being sent to you. Once you have that, you can sign in. So once you sign in, there will be a different type of test series and everything showing up. If you see that it says free right here, that means you have access to that particular module. Like for example, I have access to mathematics worksheet. So if I click on this, it's going to take me to all the course material that is available right here. If you click on any one of these, like for example, this is numbered like 1 2 3 4 up to 10, and then there is like 15 different chapters. If you click on one of these, it's gonna open up a bunch of stuff. There are This is a quiz, so if you click on the quiz, it can take you there. If you're opening it for the first time, it's gonna show you this button, enroll for free, which you can click. And once you go there and then start learning, it's gonna allow you to take the test, right? So on the left right hand side, you can see that I am on the first module right here, real numbers. And if I open, I have I think around 1 2 3 4 5 6 quizzes which are available here. So one thing you can do from here is copy this link, right, and then send it to students. Then students will be able to directly take this test, provided they have access to it, right? So once you take the test, or you're opening it for review, you press the start test button, and you can take the test yourself, which I don't suggest. I mean, you'll not be taking the test, but actually be reviewing them. When you're reviewing though, just as soon as you start the test, you can press on the submit button. Once you go for the submit button, it's going to tell you that you have answered 0 questions, and then all of them are unattempted. But then you submit it again, and it's going to take you this to this particular page, which says ki this is the Euclid's algorithm quiz, and then you score pretty much 0, right? When you press on view solutions, it's going to take you to the solution of this. Now this is not timed. You can keep it open for any amount of time, but when you're reviewing a paper, make sure that you just press this explanation button. Once you have this explanation button, this is the question on the left, and the solution to that is on the right. So you can review whether this is the correct solution. If this is something that needs to be changed, if there are some things that need to be changed, just take a screenshot. But when you're taking the screenshot, make sure you include the section, the name of the assignment here on top, and the question number and the section. That way you don't have to explain to your admin that okay, this is the question that needs change. So when you take the screenshot, make your changes here. Make sure you include the name of the assignment and the section and the question number. And once you're done, move on to the next question and keep doing it. Again, if you press on the explanation button again, it's going to remove the explanation. So sometimes there could be mistakes in the solutions as well. To make sure you press the exclamation button to have the explanation in front of you, so that you can make changes to the explanation if it is required. You can jump to any questions by clicking on these individual buttons for every question, and then after you're done, you're done with it. Just close the tab. Right now, you can click on this to close the assignment, and you can go back and then redo the review for something else which may be of interest to you. Okay. Other than that, I don't think there is anything important or anything too crucial about this. This is just a learning platform or LMS software. You can go into your account, your enrollments. This will have all the account details. I'm not going to click on this right now. It will have your phone number and everything. My enrollments, if this button, the second button here, will let you know what are the courses you are enrolled to. That means these are the courses that your admin has given access to you. So I'm a physics teacher, but I think I have all the JE physics and everything I have enrolled with the help of my admin. And I can see here that sometimes you can also upload videos here, assignments here. Everything is everything related to learning is available here. Anyway, so I'll see you in the next video. This is done.